Welcome to Pocket Woman Lock Sport. Today is Lockout Tagout Tuesday, the day we feature our safety locks, the locks that keep our workers safe, the Lockout Tagout locks. Hashtag it Lotto Lock Tuesday, that way we will be able to find your videos. We pick them, we explore them, we show them off, we tell you about them. This is just a fun series to get people involved with Lockout Tagout locks. Now, you don't have to post on a Tuesday because Tuesdays don't happen at the same time all around the world. You can post it on another day and hashtag it Lotto Lock Tuesday, just as long as we can find your videos in the search. So this is a beautiful American lock, 1105 series, WEIN, key is 45786. Got this from Jake, 1973, about 6 months ago, and it's kept me out ever since. I have not got this open once. So I'm going homebrew, top of the tension, top of the keyway tension tool, and I'm not using a commercial tension wrench because they keep falling out. And bottom of the keyway is not working, it keeps binding. So I'm going to try my Daz Evers snakewood first. Now, Chris Capune has put out a video telling us how to pick his 1100s, how he does it. Now, he says he just tickles the pins. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to have a little bit of a tickle. Now I ask him, if we need to pick this with super light tension, then how are we going to turn the core, because it's got a really strong spring on it, to release the shackle? And he says, well, every now and again, just give it some to see if you've got the open. Now, I know that these have serrated key pins, serrated drivers and spools. Now, also with the tension, what Paul Springett does is he puts his finger close to the padlock for light tension and further up the tension tool for heavy tension. Now, Chris did this. Now, I'm probably a bit heavy. Yep. So if you can do that, that's the sort of tension that's required for your lock. Now this is a milestone pick for me. I've been wanting an American lock for a very long time, and then when Jake sent it to me, I thought, beauty, I'll get to pick that, but it's kept me out for 6 whole months. I'll be a very happy picker if I can pop this shackle today. Just gentle, gentle movements. Keep testing to see if the open's happening. Now, I know the bitting on the key is not that challenging, but for this lock, it most certainly is for me. Now, I'd like to give a shout out to Starry Lock. He's celebrating his 400 subscriber giveaway, and he has just attempted to pick a very interesting ABUS Lockout Tagout lock, all brass, absolutely beautiful lock. I didn't know it existed. Starry Lock finds all sorts of interesting Lockout Tagout locks to feature on Tuesdays. So check out his channel and go see him attempt to pick this ABUS. It's very interesting. He says it's the red jacket equivalent to the black jacket Nautilus. tickle those pins. Run your pick along them slowly, just gentle, gentle. Oh, a little bit of movement on the cork then. Oh, did you see the core move then? It's not open. Got to be close. Right, let's do a pin test to see what's set. One set. Two is not set. Hang on, Betty, I'll be there with you in a minute. Oh, Betty wants to come inside. It's 30 odd degrees out there. I've got to let her in. Just hang on. Let's just have to come with me, people. Just got to let the dog in. How about it, darling? Let's keep this up on the phone. Come on, sweetie. Come on, get a drink. That works. Okay. My finger, it's automatically slipping up the tension wrench. Okay, let's try 1 set, 2 set, 3 set, 4 set, 5 set. What? 51 set. Oh, you're kidding me. It is. Oh, wow. Hey, Betty. We got it. We got the open. Whoa. Hey, talent kill. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, my leg's shaking. Oh. An American lock. I did it, Betty. We did it. Yay. Okay. All right. Okay. Got him. Okay, go sit back down, darling. You'll be right. Oh. Oh, my hands are sweating so much. I'm just not doing this right. I'm trying to rush now. This doesn't fit. Okay, just... I'm so slippery. Okay. Shim. Oh, I'm sweating so badly now. Adrenaline rush. Whoa. Oh, I've got no idea where the key pins are going to come out. I'll try to hold it. Oops. Oh, they're going to come out down the bottom. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Well, they all needed to be picked just on 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's so sticky, it's so greasy. Oh, it's going to be a long video, sorry folks. But I don't care, I got the open. And I want to see what the pins look like that have been keeping me out for 6 months. There's our core. That'll be stock. Yep. Oh, has it got the bypass wafer? No, it hasn't got the bypass protection thing in it. So it could have been easily opened. Oh wow. Okay, serrations at the top of 5, serrations at the top of 4, serrations on 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Well, it's not right. Look at that. That's weird. Not one of them popped up. Like, why are they not popping up? That's so weird. So the 5 is just barely reaching the shear line, past the shear line. 1 and 2 are just past the shear line, but 3 and 4 are flush with the shear line. That's really weird. Let's just do that, since I've got no springs helping me. Oh yeah, there's springs in there, but remember the front of the lock is there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 springs, a spool, serrated, serrated spool, serrated. So missing 1 driver and 2 springs. Okay, serrated driver. Yep, I can see the spring in there. If there's a tool you can use that helps you get these things out. Probably is. Let me know in the comments, that'd be great. Okay, I can just see it wanting to come out now. Okay, so still missing 1 spring. Which chamber is that in? Okay, looks like it's the 3rd one. There it is. Talk about difficult gutting. Okay. Wow! Happy, happy picker, happy, 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 happy picker. Happy. Hashtag Lotto Lock Tuesday. Yay, Betty. Betty's got up to celebrate. I'll try and give you a close-up of the pins, but nothing doesn't do close-ups. So you've all seen the insides of these Americans before. This looks like it's probably standard. Yep, let me know in the comments if it's not. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm very, very happy picker. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.